Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am She.
And I am Bet.
Yeah, so today we are going to do a room tour of Bet's room. It's so pretty guys, like you just have to wait and see until the end because man mtakata mtaniambia hapana isi hostel but ni hostel in UN, so inaweza kupea ideas on how you can decorate your own room ndio pia ikue a safe space and a nice space. Yeah, so I'm going to be filming, so you'll see her for the most of the part of the video, but yeah. Haya tuanze.
Hi guys, welcome to She's video, and today we are in my room. I'm super excited for this, so I'm just going to start right away. This is the entrance, so kuna the main door over there, then it branches into two rooms, so this is mine. So once you get inside, the first thing you will see from my door here is this wonderful mirror. It has a beautiful vine. I got it from AliExpress at only 85 shillings with no shipping fee, by the way. And then we have the hooks, the two of them, and then at the bottom I also have two just to give it enough support. So hapo ndio kwa mlango. I think you saw this one in my previous room. I explained it. Hakuna matata, the future is used to create. Napenda paka. Then there's this aesthetic Afro girl. Then I'm not ashamed of the gospel. This used to be my favorite verse. Then flowers, nani yellow. Yes, and then we come down here. We have this wonderful frame. It cracked, but I feel like the crack ilipia aesthetic nature, so I didn't get another one because I sell the frames. So if you just want the frames, you can hit me up. You can get my contact from She.
Yeah.
Yes. And then from here we have these stickers, sticky note. We have sticky notes zimeandikwa tu vitu zangu. They're not so important, but they're amazing. Then over here, I love tags. Last year, mliona nilikuwa nakaa sita because it was the end of the academic year. Now this is the beginning. I only have one, but at the end of the academic year, I'm planning to have as many as I can. Then there's fairy lights. There's the fairy lights. Pia sijakisha, but inawaka. There's the fairy lights, then there's more stickers, more aesthetic nature, and then we come to my vision board. I did this in January this year, 2023, and then to now approach the end of the year, I think I've improved. I haven't gotten to where I wanted to be, but I've improved in all these sectors: family, career, spiritual life. Only compare yourself to the previous self. And yes, that's it. And then there's here, I vied for a post in school, so I just wanted to keep this to remind myself of this period, and also to keep this poster in future. Yeah. for my future generation. Wajuange nilivai. It was an amazing experience, by the way. It was nice, it was new. Then moving on, part we also have this vine. It's the same one na nimekuwa kwa mlango. You can see the pattern, so it's also the same like the other one. I got it also from AliExpress. It's a 2-meter strand. Then we have this amazing flower. Then we have birthday cards over there, unaona. Yeah. And then over here there's just random stuff. Okay, miss hamburger na weni comrade, you just look at the picture.
Wait, okay.
And then finally I also have a sticky note. Hapa juu imeandikwa well-being, and then it's a night routine. Inaanza na take the trash out. So that's my night routine. Yes. So we are done with this part of the wall.
It's nice.
Thanks.
It's really nice.
Mefurahia hadi hapo?
Yeah.
Sasa tunakuja kwa meza ya kusomea. So over here we start with the calendar. You can notice kuna some dates I've circled, so that is just to keep me up to date with things that I'm supposed to do. Then there's this kafa tasijui, it's just for decorative purposes or something. Then there's the porch, then there's the gratitude jar. I had it from this year, the whole of this year, last year. Then we have vitutu za shule, this some decorative bottle. I'm an aesthetic person, so I just love anything that looks aesthetic. Then aki, you guys, Stony inaonja vibaya. If you want Stony, just come for it. Inaonja vibaya. I'll never take Stony. And then there's a small mirror here. Hii mirror if I cover, it's a distracting agent when I read. Then my books. You can see there's some pretty notebooks. Alafu vitabu za shule. I prefer the small A5 books. Then Songyoku, we have ini kitu inanukia. It's a scented fragrance. Then there's some candles over here. Then kuna this jar. When I have flowers, sometimes I put water here and then the flowers, but like now I don't have flowers. Then there's this figurine. It's really pretty. I got it from Masai Market. It was 250, but I bargained from 600. Mimi, hey, I bargained everything. And supu. Bro, I bargained everything. So if you're working with me, lazima economy ni mbaya, so you bargain everything. Then there's an extension over here right at the corner. Then there's this blender. I'm supposed to take vitamins, so sometimes kama sitaki kula fruit hivo, I just blend it. Then we have this. It's a sunset lamp. Mtaiona on the background nikiakisha. It's pretty. I also got it from AliExpress, free shipping. And then there's this small basket. It has some stationery, pencil, pens, nini. And then on this other side, it has quick fix makeup, the ones that I use the most: mascara, eyeliner, and lip gloss. That's the only ones. So I think tumemalizana na meza. I've explained everything. Yes, and then there's this chair. Hey, ni ya chuma na ni baridi. So yeah. So from the table, we have this amazing window. It's big enough. You can look at the view outside. Sometimes I just see people walking, even people I know. So I'm like, I want to scream, but I can't. So that's the view. Then the curtain. I love this curtain because it's white. It's translucent. I can sometimes see through it. Light comes through it. Like it's not opaque. So yeah. Yes, it's pretty. It's white, so it gives the room a little bit of light and color.
Yeah, it's pretty for real.
So from the window we come to this side of the wall. First thing is, when I came to this room, I really didn't love it. It was so dark, so I brought this wallpaper from home. Tulikuwa imebaki, and then I just put it over here. I love yellow and the butterfly, so it was perfect for me. Then from here we come to the bed. We have Ola. We co-parent Ola with she. Then we have Esperanza.
You ni wako peke yako.
That's mine alone from another father. So that's Esperanza. And then we come here, we go back to the wall. I have this beautiful balloon. Julia aliniletea, akaandika hapa with love from Julia. I was so happy, like a baby. Balloons bado zinani excite. So then there's this vine over here. Mimi hang na something, a container. It was aesthetic.
Yeah, okay. You're so creative.
So yeah, this is vine. These ones are from Kenya. You can
hey, it's okay.
I love them
from Kenya.
Yeah, this color. Pia unaweza pata ingine pia Kenya.
Okay.
And then do I explain the stickers again? Last time nakumbuka. This is Singapore. You're planning to go to Singapore. Then this butterfly glows in the dark at night. Then we have this music thing. Inaona tu inakaa vizuri. Then there's Paris. Like, I love Paris. Everyone loves Paris.
Yeah.
So the Eiffel Tower is pretty. Then I love giraffes. Like, part of the big five that I love is giraffe.
Giraffe iko big 5.
Si ndio?
Ai jaba.
Basi tuseme ni wildlife. Mimi siko sure lakini wildlife.
Okay, hadi mimi siko sure.
Mtasema kwa comments. Then these are some affirmation. I love myself, I love my body, I am enough, I am loved, I am strong, I am wanted. Some pretty affirmations. Then from here pia we have something that I love. It's aesthetic. It's made from yarn and some sort of glue. When it dries inakaa hivo. So yeah, I love that one, and it's yellow. And then we have books. We have alafu kama mnaona pale, siji kama mnaona on this side you can see like kitu inakaa rainbow. That was the sunset lamp, but since we have a lot of sources of light, kuna hii na kuna ring light behind me, I got so concentrated. But at the end of the video I'll make sure you see how it is without all the other sources. It's pretty. Yeah. Then on this part, this is a frame, and then this up and down is my favorite poem. Niangalie. Niseme, the first thing you should know about me is I'm not a good woman. So I've never asked for a good man. But between me and God, we have this arrangement where he sends me men who will tell me lies, break my heart 1 or 2 times, and in return, I summarize their memory in 32 lines.
Yo.
It's by Mumbi, but it's my favorite poem.
Is that a sad poem ama a happy one? Cause yo, man.
It's a mixture of emotions. It's not sad and it's not happy. It's like a recount of things that have happened.
Oh.
Not to me.
Go sure.
But I relate.
Go sure. Okay, pia mimi na relate. I relate, man. I relate.
Please send good men. Oh, nimetoka kusema I'm not a good. Okay.
Men, unataka wengi?
Okay, just forget what I said. We can continue.
Okay.
Then there's this wine that hangs over here. Alafu tu hapa kuna sticker napenda. Some sort of green. Hoteli, napenda hoteli. So, we move on safely. Hapa, okay, sijui zinaitangwa nini, but bado ni sticker. Pia hii ni sticker. Then over there we have my certificate. That's the certificate I'm so proud of. No maana nilistick. It's about writing, a writing competition. And then over here we have some affirmation also from Pandy Crafts. I got it as a gift. So you're pretty. Sijisahau kujipenda. Usisahau kujipenda. Hii mnaweza jisomea.
Your shadow.
Yeah. So mnaweza jisomea hapo. And hapo juu kuna bag. Yani sijui bag na bebanga wapi. Church, but it's cute. It's pretty. Yes. Now we are done with this side. Now we can move on to the wardrobe.
Tuwaonyeshe the sunset lamp sahi.
Oh,
you can switch off the ring light.
Okay.
And the bulb. Guys, what the fuck? Oh, hi. Inaonekana.
Oh, na bado kuna dirisha.
Oh,
You
yeah.
can't close it.
Okay,
right
we
now.
will show you guys another one at the end. It's so tiny, but it has a lot of impact. As you can see. Yeah.
Then this is my side of the wardrobe where I hang things that I think if I kufoldiwa, misijui, just random things. Jackets, denims, then hapa kuna belt. And then this over here, this another side of like wardrobe. Ikona compartments. So I just put random things here. Juu kila kitu izitoshea hapo. Oh, si ati mko na vitu vingi. But some things are just so bright. Tuendelee. Then over here, down here, I have bucket. Hapo ni kango chafu. Hapa kuna bucket yangu pia ya kuoga. So that's it for this side. Pia hapa ni some like random. This is a tote bag. Then this is a backpack. Ya kwenda nayo class. Then hapa kuna laptop bag. It's too big. Then I have some little carrier bag.
Hizo si carrier bag. They're too good.
This is from Institution of Surveyors of Kenya, so sitaki kuitupa. This had my birthday gift. Sitaki pia kuitupa. I just love gift bags. So we move on to the wardrobe. Probably my pretty space. Scared to buy that. We start from the top.
Yeah.
From the top, we have iron box, electric kettle, another gift bag. Then on this side, I love wearing skirts and dresses sometimes. So this side yote duko nyuma ni dresses and skirts. Then from here we have trousers and shorts. So yes, and then on this side we have scarves, we have shuka, and then tops. Comrade akikuwa na trouser moja na top milioni. Then hizi tu ni essential. This side mimi ni mfupi, sikuwa nataka kuweka vyombo juu. Here kuna vyombo, some food stuffs, hivyo. And then on the last compartment huku chini there are shoes. So yes, hiyo ni viatu za comrade.
And now we are back to the mirror.
We are back to the mirror.
Yay.
You can check selfie.
So
Nice. Nakupea permission.
Your room is pretty.
Thank you.